Not all compliance training is the same. Some topics need empathy, some need clarity, others need urgency. In this video, we'll break down 9 essential types of compliance training videos and how each one should be designed. 1. Anti-harassment training. A safe workplace starts with knowing what harassment actually looks like and how to respond. Anti-harassment training helps employees recognize inappropriate behavior, whether verbal, physical, or digital. In regions like California and New York, this training is legally required. Scenario-based videos are especially effective because they show, not just tell, when to speak up. The goal isn't fear, it's awareness, accountability, and support. 2. Workplace safety and health regulations. Everyone deserves a safe working environment. Workplace safety training helps employees understand how to prevent injuries and respond to risks. From OSHA standards to industry-specific rules, these videos reduce incidents and strengthen safety culture, especially when tailored to real job settings. Safety training works best when employees see themselves in the scenario. 3. Data protection and privacy regulations. With data breaches on the rise, protecting personal information is no longer optional. Training around GDPR, HIPAA, and privacy laws helps employees understand how to collect, store, and handle sensitive data responsibly. Good privacy training builds habits, not just awareness. 4. Ethical business practices. Every company has a code of ethics, but understanding it is different from living it. Ethics training videos bring values to life through real-world dilemmas, client gifts, conflicts, and gray areas that don't have obvious answers. Ethical training helps employees make the right call before problems happen. 5. Diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI. DEI training isn't just about policies, it's about mindset. These videos address bias, privilege, and inclusion through everyday workplace interactions, helping teams build respect and equity. Effective DEI training feels human, not corporate. 6. Conflict of interest and insider trading. Some compliance risks aren't obvious. Conflict of interest training helps employees spot situations where personal gain could affect professional judgment. This is especially critical in finance, government, and regulated industries, where small actions can lead to serious consequences. Clarity here prevents costly mistakes. 7. Environmental compliance. As sustainability becomes a business priority, environmental compliance training helps teams understand how daily actions affect larger outcomes. From EPA regulations to ISO standards, these videos show how small operational choices can reduce major environmental risks. Compliance and sustainability can move together. 8. Industry-specific regulatory training. Every industry plays by different rules. From HIPAA in healthcare to FINRA in finance, industry-specific training ensures employees understand what applies directly to their role. The more relevant it feels, the more effective it becomes. 9. Cybersecurity training. Cybersecurity isn't just an IT problem, it's everyone's responsibility. Training videos on phishing, password hygiene, and data handling help employees avoid common threats, especially in remote work environments. Most breaches start with human error, and training can stop them. Now you know the 9 most common types of compliance training videos and what each one should focus on. But knowing the types is only step 1. Next video, I'll show you a simple 5-step process to build a compliance training program. From needs analysis to evaluation, so you can turn these video types into a real training system. Like and subscribe to see more training content from us.